Imagine a future where Tesla's biggest product isn't a car, it's a humanoid robot that could change everything. At Tesla's recent shareholder meeting, Elon Musk made it crystal clear. Optimus is no longer just a prototype, it's the company's next massive revolution. Musk didn't hold back. Optimus could become Tesla's most important creation, even bigger than their electric vehicles. This humanoid robot is built for the jobs humans hate, repetitive, dangerous, physically demanding tasks. We're talking factories, warehouses, and eventually your home. Tesla showed the real Optimus on stage. No CGI, no tricks, walking, balancing, and moving with impressive autonomy. Musk's plan? Mass production in 2026. Not thousands, but millions of units. Priced affordably at scale, these robots could handle everything from assembly lines to disaster response and household chores. The goal? Billions of them worldwide, extending human capabilities without replacing us. But here's the big question. If millions of tireless, safe robots take over the heavy lifting, what happens to the job market? Musk sees it as a game changer for society, ending dangerous work, boosting economies, even helping in emergencies. Is this the dawn of a new era where robots become our silent allies or a threat to millions of jobs? What do you think? Will Optimus be humanity's greatest helper or something more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're excited for the robot future, and subscribe to TechNovaX for more cutting-edge tech breakdowns.
Hey there, this is TechNovaX. If you enjoy cutting-edge tech, a future just books now.
Future tech you won't believe. Subscribe now, you don't want to miss this.